Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'd like to share with you 5 of my tips when using wood glue.
Number 1. Find a bottle with a nozzle that you like.
So this is the glue bottle that I currently use. This glue was given to me as a gift by a family member and I can't quite remember the brand of it, but I'll put it along the screen now. When I'd finished with the bottle, I decided to keep it because I was really impressed with the bottle, so that if I need to refill it I can. So I took the label off because it got scruffy, and I found this to be the best bottle so far. So number 1, it's large, it's quite durable. You can see you can squeeze it and it doesn't damage it too much over time. And then it has this red top, so this top just comes off and it's just a push on top, prevents the glue going off. And every time you're finished with the glue, when you put this back on, there's no problems at all. It doesn't get stuck, it just pops right off. You've got a nice small nozzle here. You could cut this down shorter if you wanted to, and then this comes off also for refilling. So I found this to be, for me, the best bottle. I've seen people using washing up liquid bottles, mayonnaise bottles, and ones that you can buy online specifically for dispensing wood glue, but for me this has been the best one. I also like to use the bottles that you can get, I think these are from Poundland here in the UK. They're okay, but they're a bit small, so they're not really very good for using as a refill bottle. And the tops on these, they can get in the way a bit. You can pull them out of the way. The nozzle isn't too bad, but yeah, they're a bit too small for my liking, so I'm going to stick with this one. So with the lid removed, I can then add this small funnel which will help me to add the glue, and then I can start adding the glue to the funnel. And this is how I fill the bottle up. So now that's all finished, I can just replace that top and we're good to go.
Number 2. Use a damp rag to remove excess glue.
So I tend to keep rags in a drawer like this, great for dampening and using to remove wood glue.
Number 3. Use scraps of wood as glue spreaders. I like to get a scrap bit of wood from my scrap wood bin, and when I need to spread quite a bit of glue around, I find this to be the best way to do it. You don't need to worry about cleaning it afterwards. You can just simply throw it away after you're done with it. Number 4. Use old brushes to apply glue.
I like to keep old brushes for applying wood glue, such as these ones. With the wood glue, it's water based, so it washes out of the brushes easily and you can reuse them. I've also got like a little glue spreader plasticky thing here. This is an old makeup brush. These tend to be quite good at spreading glue around.
Number 5 is make wood filler from sawdust and glue. I like to take sawdust from the sander, nice fine sawdust, and mix that with wood glue, and you get a decent wood filler. If you're running short on your regular wood filler, or you've got plenty of excess sawdust, this can be a useful wood filler.
Okay, so that is about it for this video. I hope you found these tips useful. If you have any tips of your own, please share them with us in the comments section of this video. So if you did find this video useful, please consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.